Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you didn't see, this product is called a Cashmon Go. And pretty much what this is basically a product that's similar to like the Pokemon Gacha wristband or like the Pokeball Plus that you can use to automatically capture stuff, spin stuff for you guys. And if you guys remember last time I actually reviewed a product from this brand that is called the Dual Cashmon. And what's really cool about that product is the fact that not only can you auto spin and auto capture, you guys can actually help you guys auto hack stuff. But probably the coolest thing about that product is the fact that not only can you guys pair it onto one device, but you can actually pair it onto two devices. For this one, you guys won't be able to do that though. This one, you guys actually can only pair one, but this one's definitely a lot more unique and cooler. The battery life for this one is very similar to the other one as well. The product itself can stay on standby mode for up to 600 hours on one full battery. And then for the battery itself, you guys need to have two AAA batteries. This is not like a rechargeable one like the Pokemon Gacha wristband or like the Pokeball Plus where you can actually plug in a cable to recharge it. Let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like. Very cool and unique kind of design. It's basically like a little Pokemon egg or whatnot, so this is like really cool and very unique. They do provide you a little instruction guide on how to set the product and how to use it. And then on the very bottom, you guys take this part out. So they provide you a little baggie that's actually really cute and adorable. So the baggie itself is super cute. If you guys can see their little brand logo and what the Pokemon egg looks like when it's hatching. They have the product name right here, which is the Cashmon Go. And then they provide you a bunch of like little keychains that you can use to hook it on. This is definitely a lot cuter than other ones that I've tested in the past because of how designed, but it is a little bit more bulkier than the other ones as well. So there's a win and lose situation here. You guys can see that they have a little logo right here, which is the Mega Com, and then the top part they have that logo that's same as the other product as well. You guys can see right here there's on and off button to turn off and on the product. Right here, there's a little hook part where it's actually hook it onto right here, or you can hook it onto the little keychain that they provide you. And then on the very bottom right here is where it's actually opened up to put in the battery. So let's open up really quick. So the way how you guys open the bottom part is just by turning this little part right here. And then just open up really easily, just like that. And I would suggest that you guys get like a rechargeable AAA battery instead of like your normal ones like these where it's not rechargeable, because if you guys don't have like a rechargeable one, then it's kind of a waste. And also it saves you guys a lot of money from buying a new battery every single time. And the way how you guys know which side to put it on is right here. You guys can see there's a plus and minus, so you guys know which way to put up and down. So the plus is on this side and the minus is on this side. So just put it in like that. And then we want to turn the knob to close back up. So once you put in the battery, you guys can turn on the on button and see what happens. Alright, so you can see that there's an indicator light right here to let you guys know when it's on and off. And you guys can hear that little beep so you guys know when it's on or off. So same thing like the other product that I tested from last time. You guys can actually control like what to turn on for each different functionality on the product itself. So the green light means that you guys can turn off or on the sound, and the sound is like that little beep that you guys heard. So if you guys want to turn off or on the sound, you just hold down the button right here on the top, which I'll show you guys in a second. If you guys go to the purple light, that one is for controlling the vibration, so you can turn off and on the vibration. And then same thing, you guys just want to hold it down for 3 seconds to turn off and on. And if you guys are wondering what each different color represents when you guys are using the product, you guys can see right here it tells you guys what each one is for. So first thing first, let me actually pair it up to show you guys what it looks like and when it actually works first. And if you guys already have like your old Gacha wristband or your old Pokeball Plus, you guys want to make sure you guys unpair it on that first. So let me do all that stuff right here first. So you guys want to go to the very bottom right here for the Pokego Plus. And you guys want to turn off the one you guys have if you guys have one. So once we turn it on, press the button. You guys can see that pops up right here. So you guys want to pair that together on here. And then ask you guys, are you guys sure? And we're going to say yes. And it paired. So now we have the green light. So if you guys want to turn off the sound, just hold it down for like roughly 3 seconds. And it turns off. Same thing for the purple. Alright, so it turned off. So no more vibration, no more sound, so that's pretty cool. But if you guys do want the sound and do want the vibration on, then you guys want to make sure those are on. So that's basically the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and everything. Really cool, unique product that haven't seen anyone have out there today. Definitely stands out because of that very cool kind of little egg inside the product itself within this little egg hatcher right here. Very cool kind of collectible product as well. You guys can see how cute that product is. But now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is actually worth it for those guys who want one or need one of these. to help you guys spin Pokestops, catch Pokemons, and all that good stuff on here. Like even if you guys don't even use this for Pokemon Go app, you guys can use this to put it on display somewhere to make it look cool and very kind of like unique and modern. Or if you guys just want to have one of these to kind of show off as well to all your Pokemon Go friends, then you guys can definitely get one of these as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day we have...